Hello guys, in this video we will solve the problem of the marketplace icon not appearing on the Facebook shortcuts bar. A very simple method. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share the video. Here is the first step you do, my friend, which is to go to your Facebook page, then click on any of these icons here. Long press on it. After that, this interface will pass for you. Click on Customize the navigation bar. Here, you will find these settings. If you long press on an icon or any icon here and do not find this interface, it is okay. We go back to the official Facebook page, then click on our profile icon, then click on Settings and Privacy. After that, we click on Settings, then go down and search for the navigation bar, then we will find it here. Click on the navigation bar. After that, we click on Customize the bar. Here we search for the marketplace icon. We will find it here in a hidden way. Then we click on Install. After that, we return to the official Facebook interface, and as you can see, the Bliss brand icon has been restored. I hope you liked the video. For any inquiries, any problems or any suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.